Hey everyone, it's Brandy and I'm back with another YouTube video. As you can see, it's not a background, but I'm so happy to see that you all are loving the hauls. It seems like my last haul got a lot of views, so I'm excited to bring you all this haul. So, this haul is a combination of stores. We have Pretty Little Things and then Gabriella Lascano. So I just wanted to hop in and say throughout this video, I keep saying Gabriella Lascano, and it's Gabriella Lascano. It's just that I was trying to say it like her, and it didn't quite work out because I kept putting too much emphasis on the O, and it was coming off as an A. So I apologize for that, but I do know that is Gabriella Lascano. I'm back with Gabriella Lascano's clothing, and when first of all, I've been following her on Instagram for a very long time. Like I remember when she went viral, like it was like this huge thing on the internet because she was like in this champagne glass, and it was something I honestly never seen before. Like I've never seen like true, and this is no shade to any other big girls or like plus size girls, but I've never seen like a true big girl or true plus size girl, not like model plus size, if that makes any sense. Like, but like there's like model plus size and then there's plus size. I don't know, I don't want to separate the two because we're all in the same community. That's not my that's not what I'm here for. But I'm just saying, like I haven't seen anybody at that time. I hadn't seen anybody that was like my size. That's what I'm trying to say. Like I hadn't seen anybody who resembled what I looked like, just in terms of like the shape, the build, like the curviness, like everything. It was just like very new to me. So seeing it, like even I was taken aback. I didn't know how to feel. Like, is this right? Is this acceptable? But then like I started seeing her like all the time, like modeling clothes, and then I finally just went on her page, and then from time to time I would go to her page, and then like one day I just got like lost in the sauce, and I was like, I'm gonna follow her because she's amazing and I love what she's doing. And so now we're here. The clothing brand, in case you are not familiar with Gabriella Lascano, she is Latina, and her clothing brand is Black owned and Latina owned. Her husband is Black and she's Latina, and they own the company together. So I love that. And she does support Black Lives Matter, the movement. She supports Latina lives, and like I just like that she incorporates them both. But like I've been in love with what she does, her work and everything for a while, so I wanted to support. So when her launch, when her clothing line first launched, well, I was kind of late, like by a few hours, so a lot of things were sold out. So what I did get was the slim trousers and mocha, which is what I have on. I'm gonna step back in a second. And I got these in a size 3X, and then I got the Bandeau top, which is what I have on now, in coffee, and this is a 2 to 3X. So I do have my regular bra on under here, so it probably looks a bit weird, but when I put on the next top, I'll take my bra off. But so this is the Bandeau top. I feel like this is cute, like with a blazer. This would be so fire. So this is the Bandeau top, and it's in a 2 to 3X, and it does have like padding in here, like a little pad thing in here. But yeah, like I would love this. And I could just see like with these pants, like I'm gonna step back so you could get, these are very stretchy. I don't know what type of material this is. Like, I don't know, like trouser material, I guess, if that's a thing. But yeah, it has these two lines here. I do still do have the tag on it. Here's the pants. This is this. Okay, before I take this off, I just wanted to show and open this next one up. I wanted to show the packaging. So it comes wrapped up in plastic like this. I love her tags, her labels. So it comes like this. So this is how it looks straight up out the pack. And it has like this rouge kind of detail in here. And then it's like very stretchy spandex like. This is a 2-3X. And like her tags are just so cute. And then she has another one that says thank you, and it has like her website and the Instagram of the clothing line. So I am back with this Bandeau top here, and this is the one in toffee. So the one that I just took off was the one in coffee, and this is the one in toffee. This is the one that I tried to get when she first launched, but it has sold out. So I got the coffee one instead, but this one was back in stock, so I ended up grabbing this one along with these rhinestone hoops in gold. And what I love about these hoops is that they have this like gold detailing, like on the outside here they're like gold, and then they along the rim they're gold as well, and they don't hurt at all. So I love that. Like when she was doing a review on it, I was like, but is it gonna be like for real, or is it gonna be like bringing my ear down? But no, they are lightweight, so I love that about it. This is this top, and again it has the like padding here. I took off my regular bra, so I don't have anything under here. It's just this Bandeau top. I just think this is like super duper cute. Like I love these Bandeau tops. Like my issue with the Pretty Little Things is just that the pants didn't fit, so it was showing way more stomach than I like. But this ratio here, I'm okay with. Like you could get all of this, period.
When I like how she trimmed, I like how she said it. She got them felt me.
So cute. I think it's so sexy, and I can't wait to like wear this with a cute little blazer, or like thinking like a cardigan too. So I brought both of my cardigans because I wasn't quite sure which one would look best. I mean, this could be cute, but this is, I think with the blazer might be even cuter. Like I like this look too. This looks cute too. I think I like this one better with this outfit, but I don't know. You all let me know which one y'all like better, the black cardigan or this like oatmeal cardigan. From the back, I'm giving you like modest, sweet little angel, sweet little lady, and then I'll turn around and bam! How you do? You get it all. So yes, this is this outfit with the Bandeau top and toffee. I feel like I need to do like a couch photo shoot where I'm just like Shays. One last thing I forgot to mention is that the hoops came in this little bag, this cute little, and I think it's just so adorable. So I'm back with the final outfit. I actually had more luck with Gabriella Lascano's clothes because of the way they're made and the stretch, and I just appreciate that. Sorry for this little interlude before I get into this outfit, but it's natural to be nervous when you're ordering from a company that's like just starting up, but like I'm extremely grateful and happy that her clothes fit. Like I feel like she strategically, and she takes like a lot of pride in her clothing. This is the first time I tried this stuff on, by the way. The only thing I have been consistently wearing is these earrings because they're fire, but this is the first time I tried everything else on except for those other pants, those trousers. I did wear those to my nephew's birthday party, but everything else, this is the first time I'm trying it on. And so I just really appreciate the fact that like this stuff really does fit, and it fits, you know, bigger girls, like our bodies and everything. Like I really do appreciate that detail. So thank you, and let's get into this next piece because y'all know how sad I was because the Pretty Little Thing two-piece sets didn't fit, but I got me a two-piece sis, and she fits. This is the Hot Cocoa Lounge set, and it's like, again, a little bit of a crop top. Like I probably will pull it up a little bit because I want you to get, come on, tell me you don't want this stomach. Like Is my stomach like not serving like a dessert? Come on. I could pull this down more, but I would probably wear it with it showing a little bit of my stomach. And then the pants are extremely stretchy. Like I don't know what this again material is. These are so comfortable and I love the color. I just feel like it looks so cute on my skin complexion, and it has pockets. Who don't like an outfit with pockets, right? Like, so you could lounge in it and be cute, and it has pockets, and it's like tapered at the leg. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in my little my little corner over here. As you can see, like, it's like baggy. It's kind of like genie pants, like I don't know, genie. Like here it like hugs at the bottom and it gets like baggy. Let me step back a little bit more. But it comes all the way up my behind. Because of the material, you may be able to see like the panty line, but the type of panties I got on, I feel like you can't really see it that much, so that's good. Ooh, I'm just looking like a Hershey's snack sis. Like, I just want to eat me up myself. Like, I'm just looking like such a chocolate drop.
Oh, yes.
You know, when you get something that fit and you love it, it's just like you be gassing yourself because it's like...
Yeah.
Money flipper, yeah.
I'm playing handed flipper, yeah.
Whatever. Girl, you look good once you back that ass. You's a fine motherfucker.
So, this is this outfit here. So that is it for this haul. I hope you enjoy everything that I got from Gabriella Lascano line. I loved it. I loved it when I saw it on the website. I loved it when I saw it on her. And I'm super duper glad that everything fits. It's comfortable, it's stretchy, like it's amazing. Her stuff is really cute. So if you don't know, go ahead and check out Gabriella Lascano. And if you haven't already, check out my last haul. I will link it up here, or I'll link it up here in the cards, because that video is doing really well. Thank you all so much for watching this haul. I hope that you liked it. I hope that you check out Gabriella Lascano. She is a plus size friendly site and I love it. I love her pieces, and even if you're not plus size and you want to support, she has beautiful accessories. I think she's also launching like home decor items as well, so go ahead and check her out. I will leave her information below. And that is it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.